you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. Today I'll share with you how I remove my armpit hair at home without spending dollars by using 3 ingredients that you will find at your kitchen.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive.
This video is highly requested, so I decided to tell you about my little secret to get rid of the armpit hair and get it a pretty, soft and white armpits. All you need to do is go into your kitchen and getting 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of water, a half lemon. First put sugar, then add a 1/4 cup of water and blend them.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
Just keep blending it well. This method is perfect for remove armpit hair. Some girls use shaving. All we know that shaving is the easy way. But when you shave, it grows up very quickly. And it really annoys to shave yours.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
Look here, its color becomes yellow.
I got to keep it together.
Keep blending until you get this color. When you get it, keep it away from fire and let it cool for minutes. When it cool, then it's ready to use. Hold a little amount of your sticky mixture and do like this. It's so hot I burn my fingers. No, just kidding. It's just so sticky. You can also use it on your hands and legs like this. This remedy not just for remove unwanted hair, but it also using to get rid of dead skin to get soft and clear skin. And I use it to remove the small hairs on my finger. Perfect! Now I'll show you how to use it on your armpit. Now, I get a white and pretty armpit without hair or dead skin. Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and let me know what you wanna see next in a comment below. Subscribe if you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.